guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another unboxing for you, and it's gonna be from Gucci and Louis Vuitton. If you're interested in what I got, please keep on watching. Guys, the year has come to a complete halt. I know it's only been 2-3 weeks into January, but it's been a little bit over the top, so let's go ahead and show you what I got. It's gonna be from Gucci, and also this little story time with this Louis Vuitton unboxing, because you know there's always a story time with all my unboxings, but this one's a little crazy. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Em and this is ThatsLuxe. If you haven't subscribed yet and you'd love to do so, please click the red subscribe button down below and hit that bell notification so you can be notified of when I upload new videos. If you haven't followed me on Instagram and you'd love to do so, my hashtag is ThatsLuxeGirl and my handle is ThatsLuxeGirl on Instagram. I will leave all the links and the names down below, like over here somewhere. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Guys, this smile right here, yeah, it's crazy, right? Oh, by the way, I wanted to address a few new things. My hair is shorter, guys, and it is a little bit lighter. I am going to my cousin's wedding this weekend. Actually, it's gonna be in Houston. I can't wait. So I needed a new refresher. Also, my face is still not completely cleared from the acne. Insane, right? And I also went to a new lash lady. I got new lashes. This is what she calls her diamond fill, and I don't know how I feel about it. It's alright. So I know enough of the blabbering, Maria. Let's go and get started with the unboxing, shall we? So the first thing I'm gonna unbox is from Gucci, from this massive paper bag, is this beautiful box right here, and it just says Gucci, and it's not a handbag. So let's go ahead and reveal to you what's inside this box. These are my very new Princetown flats or mules, and I know I'm a little late in the Princetown slide game, but let's be honest, it took me a little while. It takes me a little while for trends like this. So these are my new shoes. They're a size 38.5. Originally I was gonna go for 38, but it was too snug and my heel was like passing a little bit here. So this is just what it looks like. It doesn't have the heart on the soles though. Here is the textile responsibility care card from Gucci, a bunch of paper, little like paper thing, and then it comes with the 2 silk dust bags from Gucci for your slides. And it also came with a little like smell thing for your shoe. So this was $695 here in the States. This is what the SKU is for all of you that's interested. This is the shoe SKU, and it also says the price right there. So that is the very first thing from Gucci. Let's move on to Louis Vuitton. Guys, here we are again. So for this one, some of you might be a little bit disappointed because I've unboxed this item before, but let's get to it, okay? This item comes in this beautiful Louis Vuitton box. Yes, it still has the holiday ribbon because, any guesses? This item is none other than, guys, another Louis Vuitton Bumbag, right? Crazy, girl, let me tell you. Look how new this thing is. It's literally still in packages, and this is how it comes in Louis Vuitton, like untouched by anyone. Look how fresh, right? So, little backstory time. I know, comes with this dust bag, by the way, the Louis Vuitton dust bag. I have a million thoughts running through my mind right now, so I wanted to just get with it. Let's get with it. So I know I've unboxed this item in my channel not too long ago, 2 videos ago. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description box below as well. And don't fret, you guys. If you're wondering where that bag is, it's right here. It is right here. Yes. So I have 2 Louis Vuitton bum bags. Ask me why. I shall tell you the story now. So if you guys are done listening to me and wondering what I got, this is it, because the rest of this video is going to be story time as to why I got this. So you can exit now if you'd like. But I mean, if you're my friend and you're a ThatsLuxe girl, you better be sitting down, sipping some tea, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get started with the story time. Okay, you know how it's so crazy how to get a bum bag nowadays? It's insane to get it. Like, if there's a wait list and blah, 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 sold out everywhere. So finally, when I got a chance to grab this beauty, I've been using it every day since I unboxed it. Up to the day where me and my mom and the rest of our coworkers went to a steakhouse. That day, I decided to wear this bag. But for some reason, my mom grabbed my bag from when we were like leaving the restaurant. And then I noticed that there was a little, where is it? A little oil spot somewhere in here, inside the handle. I don't know if you can see, it's right here. And there was also another spot somewhere in the vachetta of this handle. I don't know where it is now. But anyways, that's the story time, right? I was so bummed out about my bag. Oh, it's not in the vachetta, it's here in the tab. The leather tab right here. Call me crazy, but you see that dark spot? Yes, yes, that all happened in one sitting, and I was not okay with it. So let's put her here, because she's iconic. All right, so moving forward, that day I was a little bummed out. I was like, you know what, Mom? I'm sad. I'm sad about it because I take care of my shit. My things are like in pristine condition, you guys. And usually I'm very, very anal with my new things, especially with vachetta, because I know how it is. Like, I don't want to have it stained the first week I have this bag. It's insane. So I don't know why we went to the mall that day, but we went to the mall. And then she was like, go see if they have another bum bag because I want one for myself anyways. So if they have one, I'll take your old one and you can take my new one that I'm buying. And I'm like, girl, best believe they better have another one. So I go and I talked to my SA and I asked them, like, do you have another bum bag? And they said yes. Actually, there were 4 that came in today. I said, there's 4 bum bags right now? Like, what is this, Christmas? Like, what? This is already past Christmas, guys. So fast forward, we go to the store. There's 4 bum bags, and the first one that they showed me had like this little flaw, and I was like, no girl, I don't want it. And they said, wait a minute, a shipment just came in with the other 3 bum bags. Let me give you one that's super fresh, which hence it's not even connected. Like, the straps aren't even connected to this bum bag. Like, look, yeah. And then the zipper pulls have like plastic on them because they're brand new. So that is my story about why I have 2 bum bags. Now I'm inspecting it because I haven't really seen it out from the package. I mean, the vachetta of that one is a little bit better. I mean, the red thing, I don't know what it's called, varnish, there you go. Wow. Wow. But anyways, I sound like a total brat telling you my freaking story, you guys. But honestly, I'm so anal when it comes to my stuff, especially when if it's new and someone else makes a nasty mark on it. Not okay, guys. Not okay. Even if I make the nasty mark on it, I'm not okay with it because I'm so hard on myself when it comes to stuff like that, especially new things. And these things aren't cheap. They're very expensive. And even if I buy something that's $20, if I make a scratch on it or a mark or I miss something, there's like a missing piece out of it, I'm not okay with it because OCD kicks in, guys. The OCD kicks in. But anyways, that is my unboxing. So 2 bum bags. One is gonna be my mom's and this is gonna be mine. Finally, since I unboxed it, I can finally use it again. Not today, guys, because it just decided to have a winter blast here in Michigan. So it's been snowing like crazy, super freaking cold. So if you're within this area or anywhere in the world that's snowing right now, the temperature is insane. It's so frigid. All I want to do is be cooped up and film videos all day because, you know, why not? So that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you guys liked this unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, I shall see you on my very next one. I appreciate you as always, and I love all of you. We have reached 2,000 subscribers, you guys. Thank you so much. Virtual hugs, everybody. Virtual hugs. Come closer. Yes, you. Yes, you the best though. So thank you so much for your unwavering support. I am so excited for this year and I am planning on doing some kind of giveaway for you guys. Any ideas? Let me know in the comment section down below. But that is it. I shall see you very soon. Namaste. Bye.